Namaste, I'm Hemant Thakur, your diamond expert from All Yours Jewels. Today I have Deepa with me. She's come down from UK, and before she buys her diamond jewelry, she has, few questions to be answered. So yeah, Deepa.
Hi Hemant. So my question for you today is, before I buy diamonds for my jewelry, can you please tell me what are the things I need to look for to ensure that I'm getting best value for my money?
Okay. So if you're buying, say, a solitaire jewelry, the most important thing is it needs to accompany a certificate from a reputed laboratory. So I have certificate from GIA. It will mention everything, the date when it was certified, the shape of it, the parameters of the diamond, the size, which is in carat weight, the color grade, which is in single. So there's no range to it when it is a solitaire diamond. The clarity grade, which is SI clarity here, and the polish symmetry and the fluorescence, of course. And you see the plotting as well. So here you can see the kind of flaws that are there in the diamond. So that is one thing that it should be accompanied by a certificate if it is solitaire diamond. And if it is not a solitaire diamond and if it is in set in jewelry, then also it has a certificate which mentions all these information like the quality of diamond, the quality of gold, the weight of gold and diamond, and it should have a stamping, a hallmark stamping if you're buying it from India. If the client, and you should be paying it officially, in bill, and if you're paying it in officially, then it has to have a VAT, right, included in that. So you're buying from the right source, that is assured, and so that is there. Uh, Also, you need to see if there is any buyback guarantee, if there is any return policy, if there are any other modes of payment. So yeah, these are the few other important things. But as I said, most important is to if the jewelry accompanies any kind of certificate or no. So that will safeguard your purchase of jewelry and give you some understanding about what you have bought. Um, so yeah. So if you have any such query of diamonds and jewelry, then you can write us on jewels@allyours.in. We will try to give you the best answer possible. And or if you wish to source your diamonds right from the manufacturers and wish to save enough money and without compromising on quality, then you can visit our website allyoursjewels.com. Fill up the form like your budget, your type of jewelry you want to make. We will make an estimation and send it to you. You can compare that estimation with your local jeweler. I guarantee our estimations will be much better in price and quality. If you agree to it, then you can place the order and we shall deliver it to you. Thank you.